Good afternoon, guys. It's a beautiful day out. It's Thursday, and I just got the CRV fixed yesterday. Buddy did the axles on it, front brake calipers and pads. He fixed the ECU and did a bunch of other stuff, so it's running great now. And I still have my KO2s on, which are my aggressive tires for winter. And I have some nice summer wheels and tires. They're like 18 by 9.5. They look ridiculous. So I'm gonna go and go ahead and take my winters off and put my summer tires on. It's yeah, Thursday today, so defrost is this weekend. We're heading up to Regina tomorrow, and Saturday we're gonna go biking and stuff, and then Sunday is the car show, the drift event. So I do believe that we're gonna bring the van to defrost, and that should be a fun weekend. But for now, I'm just gonna get some content, and we are going to put the summers back on the CRV. I'm super stoked to have this car back on the channel. So yeah, this was my daily for about 2 years, and she's back. Also, got the new brakes on the Civic yesterday, and it looks fire. And we got the airbag delete tray in, and we got the glove box out. So that's what we're up to right now. Let's get to work. What's up, guys? I just found most of the lug nuts. There's 5, 10, 15, 16 there. So there's 4 laying around somewhere, and I know I have more than that. So I'm just gonna go find some 4 extra lug nuts, and then we can get started. All right, guys, I found one of these at the garage. So then I had 17. I needed 3 more, and I literally have like hoods, bumpers. That's car parts, car parts. This is all car parts, car parts. So I literally sorted through, there was 2 of them in this box, went through every box, everything. And I was just about to give up, only needing 1 more. And I found this box on my way out, which is like, man, it has a GSR oil pump, an LSV tech conversion, wastegates, like a bunch of stuff in there. And guess what? I found a bunch more of these lug nuts. So now I have all 20 of them, and I'm gonna go throw my summers on. They're actually sitting right here. Also, I found these 2 sockets. But yeah, these are my summers here. So that'll be sick. Stoked to have those back on. Alright guys, so my shed's a bit of ways from my garage, and my wheels were in the shed. And I was coming back with these lug nuts, and I was like, well, I gotta get the wheels back. And my lawnmower is sitting here. So I got lazy, or had a good idea, you pick. Put 2 of the wheels on my lawnmower, and I'm gonna drive over there, drop the lug nuts off, drop these 2 wheels off, and then come back for the other 2 on my lawnmower. So let's get her going. Two down, 2 to go. I'm really a man of the future if you think about it. Like, this is legit. This is legitness. Hey Winnie, what do you think? And that is how you carry wheels over to your car in fashion. tire is flat, so I just hooked up a little battery pack there, set it to 35 psi, and that's just gonna slowly fill the tire up. So that's pretty sick. Alright guys, so this is my CRV. It's actually a B20B. It's a Japanese engine out of a JDM CRV. I got that in there, and we fixed the ECU yesterday. We had to trick it into thinking it had a sensor so it'd run right, so we got that done. It's a 5-speed, and yeah, it's a pretty sweet car, except for the fact that it's at 335k and it is very clapped. But you know what? Send it. Alright guys, we got the front done and it's all aired up. The tires are at 35 psi each and it's all torqued down. Check the oil, JDM B20, heck yeah. And again, this side's front's done. So we got the back one off and got the new summer on, and again, just tossing some air in it. And then I need 2 jacks because the one jack doesn't even get that KO2 off the ground. So I needed 2. And then I'll drop that side and then bring the other jack over here, and then same thing, take this off, throw the wheel on, air it up, and then this will be done and the CRV will be good to go. Alright guys, there she is. 18 by 9.5 on the back and 18 by 8.5 on the front. It's on coils right now, but they're maxed out, and then Buddy bought them, so they're going on his Japanese CRV, and I'm just going to put stock suspension back on this. But yeah, these are the summers, so that's done. And right now, my air filter is gross on my intake, so I'm just going to go get a flathead from the shed, pop that off, and then I have a K&N air filter cleaner kit, so I'm going to get that nice and clean, because why not? Sport mount, JDM B20, AEM cold air intake, function and form type 1, coils all the way around, True Heart front camber kit, eBay rear camber kit, 2 10-inch subs, 5-speed. Alright guys, so we got that all cleaned out, my AEM filter there, and we're just gonna throw some filter oil back on it to catch some dust, and then we can go ahead and put that back on, and then we got the wheels on, so this thing will be ready to rock. Alright guys, as you can see, we got the filter all oiled up here. So we're just going to go ahead and throw that back on. Alright guys, we got the bike all loaded up, car's all vacuumed out, fresh air freshener, and it's clean and we're ready to roll. Clean car, clean air filter, and got the summer wheels on it.